Good morning all, welcome back to Clearview's channel. Sorry for the delay in the video upload, we've been quite busy as you probably see on our other pages, apart from our Facebook page that's got some issues going on with that, so we're getting that resolved and sorted hopefully. But today we're out here pressure washing a driveway, which shouldn't be a big job, it's quite straightforward. So I'm not going to talk a lot, not going to rabbit a lot, I'll get straight to it. We see how the difference comes out, but apart from that it's just all full of weeds partly and just dirt and grime, so we'll tackle that, get that out very quickly. So stay tuned and I'll see you all soon.
She called